So here's the problem. You've taken a photo in landscape mode with your iPhone, but you can't view it in landscape mode.
It doesn't change into landscape mode. And the same problem you can have if you use your phone for GPS, which I do, and because I put it on the dashboard on my car. And if I turn my phone into landscape mode, it doesn't go into landscape mode, which is really annoying. But there's an easy fix. What you need to do, you need to go to control panel. And so to get into control panel, you just swipe down on the right hand side of your screen. And here on the left hand side, you can see this icon with a lock on it sets the portrait orientation of your iPhone, and it's set to lock.
So all we need to do is tap on this icon to unlock it, and then if we come out to control panel and go back into Google Maps, we can now see that we can view it in landscape mode. And if we go back to our image, again, we can view this in landscape mode. So it's an easy fix, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please thumbs it up, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.